There's a bunch of kids here today, right?
Yeah.
And we want to do some chicken fingers, but let's make them from scratch.
We can do it. I brought the frozen stuff.
Probably make this in like 20 minutes from start to finish.
Really?
And this is like a very, not basic, but it's one of the things you learn in culinary school. Hi, this is Editor Chris.
And Editor Trish.
We want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed so far, and we're going to have a 100th subscriber giveaway.
So make sure you subscribe, and back to cooking.
Bye. You're going to like this. It's going to be easy. I think once you learn this skill, you're going to apply it to so many things. Okay?
That's awesome. Okay.
Actually, these chicken breasts have a chicken tender on them. So I'm just going to cut this chicken tender. These will be for our chicken fingers, right?
Cool.
Chicken tenders, like real nice chicken tenders.
Yeah.
You're going to have the knife.
Yeah.
Find the middle. And you're going to apply a little bit of pressure.
Okay.
And I'm not really using much force. I'm just going all the way back, use the whole length of the knife. And then there you go.
Whoa. I've never done that before.
That'll be one cutlet here.
That's how you cut chicken.
And well, even though I kind of did that, we're still going to turn that into a nice chicken cutlet.
Cool.
Do you want to try?
Okay.
And anybody could tell me if anyone wants to leave a comment. Like I think I like the thin side towards me, and I have the fatter side away from me. Put a little pressure, and then I would start like the knife up here, and then just gradually just drag it across
and across that way
and
too.
Just don't you're not doing this. You're just putting pressure. So your fingers are the way.
Oh my gosh! Yikes! Oh, it really scares me.
Okay. Yeah, you're not gonna catch it as long as your fingers aren't in the way. You just got that right. You just got this.
Okay. Yeah.
What you can do is
no beginner's luck here.
No, this is tough. Like it's not the easiest thing to do. We want to tenderize this. We want to meat tenderize it, pound it out.
Yep.
We can leave it like this, and you'll have like a nice big cutlet.
Cool.
I'll cut it down. I'll cut this little piece off here. So this will be a nice cutlet. Okay. And then, it's pretty easy. I forgot my meat tenderizer. I don't have a meat tenderizer at home, but we do. Everybody has a meat tenderizer at home because I have a rolling pin. Yeah. Which I think would be difficult because you need a bit of a handle. I'm kind of like smacking my fingers. Or sometimes I like to use a little pot that has a thick bottom.
Because it has a thick surface.
Let's see what happens.
Whoa.
And you got to smack it. You put plastic wrap over so nothing's splattering and splashing. Oh yeah, this is see. I'm hitting and I'm not just going down, Trish.
Down and out.
I'm kind of just.
You're really down and out.
I'm really
down and out. That's how you
remember.
Down and out.
And then I like to feel it to see if it's level.
It's perfect.
But you don't want to go too deep. You don't want to pulverize it, but that's nice. But later, yeah.
Down and out.
Yeah, there we go.
What if I just roll it?
Yeah, try rolling it actually. That's a good question. Sometimes with
Does it work?
I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, it does work. Look at that. Get it little.
Especially chicken.
I'm gonna just tap it out a bit.
It's a masterpiece.
This is now officially. That's not bad actually. That's gonna be really tender.
Looks good.
Yeah, it'll be fine. First step.
Yeah.
All-purpose flour. Okay. Easy. So there's 1 cup of all-purpose flour in there.
Okay.
I'm telling you the measurement for this one because we're gonna season this a little bit.
Okay.
Then there's this one, breadcrumbs. I like using seasoned Italian breadcrumbs, and I like panko because it gives you that extra little crisp.
Okay.
So panko is the Japanese breadcrumbs.
Oh, those look good.
And this bowl is for our eggs. Your favorite job.
Yes, cracking the eggs.
Cracking egg. Yeah, but you don't just grab the shell out. No big deal.
Oh no, I spoke too soon. Oh, there's a shell.
You know how you get the shell out?
How?
You know how when you try to grab the shell, it wants to run away from you?
Yeah.
Okay. So you just grab another shell.
And then it attracts it?
And let's see if I get it. See, and it just...
They're like magnets.
It just comes out really easy. A little bit of milk or cream in the batter. Okay. Just a little bit. Put a little pepper in here.
Okay.
And salt and Parmesan cheese in there.
Yum.
You can put it in the flour, but I find like this gets 100% onto the chicken. Want to stir that up?
Sure.
You can put oregano, you can put more spices, you can put paprika, you can put garlic powder, onion powder, thyme. You can do whatever you want.
Love that.
But it's already kind of in the breadcrumbs.
Yeah. I tried to gross Chris out by adding a hot dog to eggs this week, and it didn't really
work. I think I was hungry when I watched that video because I'm like, oh, eggs and hot dogs, sick. But then when you told me like there's pumpkin in there, and then what I thought was hot sauce was soy sauce, and I was like,
there's a whole bunch of
as you described it, I kind of was like, no, not for me. Flour, eggs,
breadcrumbs,
and then breadcrumbs.
Cool.
And then you just want to. This is one thing you got to show everybody.
Elevator music. And the egg.
Right?
Yeah.
It's nice and coated. And then I'll grab a little scoop.
Yeah.
Put it in there.
Oh, cool. And put the layer on top.
It, right? And then
punch it out.
Right? Just like that. And I wish I had something flatter. and just throw that chicken in the
Boom.
yeah. And now, because this is a tender, you could probably like squeeze it a bit. Yeah. You want that coating to really
music again.
You want that coating to stick to it.
Okay.
Let's see.
And then I've got this little guy. My first homemade chicken tender.
No, not bad. I have some chicken stock here. Let's make it convenient.
Perfect.
Like not everything has to be like
a
chicken's not boiling on my stove. Not for this.
Okay.
Like this will hit the spot here. I really don't.
Perfect.
This is the same way you start a risotto.
Okay.
Pan.
Which I've never made, so.
We'll make like a standalone risotto.
Perfect. I actually did make it once, but it was a soup, and I just overcooked it, and it became a risotto, and I thought it was really good. So.
Pick it up, go over top, and I want you to just push all those onions.
Oh, all of them
into the pan.
Okay. That's a lot of onion.
Yeah, it'll cook down. You can use shallots. I'm just using like a fine diced.
Okay.
Red onion. Okay. We'll put the garlic in a little bit later, just because I don't want the garlic to burn. Onions take a little bit longer.
Oh.
We're gonna put 1 cup. It's just like rice. 1 cup of the orzo. We're gonna have 2 parts water. Okay.
Okay.
Wait a second for that.
Wow,
also,
this is a fancy 1 cup.
Isn't it fancy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some tomato sauce. This is homemade like tomato sauce. You can use like the passata, like we did in the last video, with the spaghetti.
Yeah. Or
some crushed tomato. I'm just gonna add this too, because we're gonna make a like tomato basil orzo, just something really simple.
Yeah.
I think we could put the orzo in right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Throw it in there.
The pan.
Yeah,
or
you
in
can
the
you can put it right in there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Dump it all in there, and mix it up.
Mix it up. Interesting. I would think that orzo had to be done in boiling water.
So we're doing this. We're doing this risotto style.
Oh, this is how you do risotto.
This is exactly how you make risotto.
This is how you do risotto.
This is exactly how you make risotto.
Risotto.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Yeah. Okay. So we're toasting it up. So the pasta is just starting to suck in and open up and take all those flavors. Just like risotto, the rice will kind of. Okay. A lot of times too, like I've seen a lot of different chefs. There's more than one way to do something. I've seen chefs, especially Italian chefs, they'll put the risotto, the rice in the pan, dry, and toast it for a couple minutes. Then take the rice out. Then do the onions and the garlic and the onions in the oil, and then put the rice back in. They toast it first.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
So it's just.
I think it just infuses. It prepares the rice to like start soaking in the flavor and the broth and stuff. So I'm gonna add a ladle full of this. Okay.
Oh, that looks good.
Okay. Let me go see who that is.
Oh, okay.
You got this, Trish?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Just in case. I'll be right back.
Very funny.
Just people selling chocolate bars. I'll put this away now.
Making a. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Making a show.
Okay.
Movie magic.
Right.
Looks very good. Good.
So this is gonna take a few minutes. Probably 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. I don't know.
Okay.
Who knows?
Just enough time to have a dance party.
I'm just like a type. I'm not really scientific when I cook. I just kind of feel my way through it.
Okay.
So I'm at a good 350 here now. I'm gonna start cooking our chicken tenders. I have a plate with some paper towel just to catch the grease.
Tendies.
I guess you could do this in the air fryer too.
Yeah.
Which is great. You totally do it in the air fry, but I think this is just fun today.
This is all smelling really good. Look at that.
Did my oil just get my oil? So this.
Whoa.
Yeah, my oil got.
That's cooked.
Yeah.
That was fast. Way faster
This would be more of a shallow fry for the cutlets, but because I'm trying to make tenders, like kind of like that chicken finger.
Oh, so that's why you have more
frying
oil.
It more. Yeah, Sorry, I should have said that at the beginning. This is a lot of oil, but I would use a lot less oil for the cutlets if I want to shallow fry them in a pan. Okay.
So this because it's
I wanted
mimicking
to
like that.
Yeah,
like the fast food
kids
type.
are picky and they want to see chicken fingers or chicken tenders and plum sauce and sweet and sour and like that sort of thing. So I did it like this.
Okay.
Otherwise, skillet.
Yeah.
A lot less oil, and I would just pan fry the cutlets. Grab this, and then let's just gauge it. It's almost there.
Whoa, that's really good.
I'm a weirdo, and I like eating my pasta really al dente.
That's really good.
Like if I was really hungry, I'd be like, I'm just eating this now. See, those are nice, golden brown.
They look bejeweled.
Look at that.
They make the whole place shimmer.
Okay, so we're gonna kick up the orzo a little bit.
Okay.
I'm gonna add just a little touch of cream.
Ooh.
Why not?
What percent? 35?
This is heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
Put a couple of tablespoons in there.
Ooh, look at that.
And then
Rich.
let's do some butter too. Why not?
Delicious.
We'll do the butter, excuse me, not right now.
Okay.
I want that kind of to tighten up a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then we're going to add Parmesan cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Created that earlier.
Okay.
Yeah, mix that in.
Yum. It's getting really good. It went
Like-
from good to amazing because cheese makes everything better.
Yeah, look how creamy that is.
That looks awesome.
Right? Here, we're going to go rustic style.
Mm-hmm.
With the basil. I'm just going to tear it with my fingers. There we go. Mix that in there.
Should get a basil plant.
Mm-hmm. Should. Oh, yeah. I'm going to turn the heat off.
Okay.
Heat's gone now. And we're going to put a nice dollop of butter in here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little bit more. Okay. And then
Yum.
here, stir that in there.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah. Stir that in there.
Okay.
And the heat's off.
Heat's off.
So
what does that do? What's the, like, how does that, what if the heat was on?
I think if the heat's on, the dairy and the oil and the butter kind of split too fast. Kind of makes it oily, dries it out. This is, we want to make it, we want to keep it creamy. This is where it starts.
Yeah.
So then you can kind of play and mix and match. This could be a pork cutlet. This could be chicken fried steak. It could be veal.
Yum.
It could be a piece of fish. Let's plate one up and just see what it looks like.
Cool. Okay.
Let me see. I'll tell you.
That's
Okay,
amazing.
now, okay, I'm going to tell you. I
Amazing.
feel like I always criticize my own stuff. Well, that's really good, actually.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like, you ever see
really good.
Ever see like when they do fried chicken and like mac and cheese?
Yeah.
This is like the
fancier version.
The fancier version. I can see why you do that.
This is awesome.
Elevator music. Right? Yeah. It's like coated. And then I think I'll add a little scoop. Put it in there. Oh, cool. Right? And then in the pan. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It'll cook. You do shallots. I'm just using like a fine dice. Okay. Bread. Okay.
Toss it in.
Yeah.
Toss it in.
Okay. So everyone's color. Friends for stuff.
Oh.
That's really good.
That's very good.
So this is going to take a few minutes.
How do you
go.
make this?
Chicken cutlet.
Fancy, delicious meal.
Chicken
and it wasn't actually
cutlets.
that much harder.